Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to lock your Telegram app on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, in order to lock your Telegram app you need an app from your Play Store, so go ahead and open up Play Store and search for App Locker, and then scroll down and click on App Lock by Kill Apps with over 10 million downloads. I recommend using that one because it's free. Click on install and give it a few moments to download and install. I'll go ahead and pause this video and come back once that is done. Alright guys, it's downloaded and installed, so what you want to do is go ahead and click on open and then click on allow and then click on start. Alright guys, you've got a few different options here. You can unlock with fingerprint, use a number or a pattern. So for this demonstration I'm going to use a pattern. So that pattern is set. And now you can add in an email, recovery email. So if you ever forget your pattern, you can recover it using your email. And then click on finish. You don't need to add your email though. Alright, this will pop up. Permissions required. So there's two different permissions you need to grant. So click on grant permission. Toggle to on app lock. Go back and do the same. Grant permissions. Toggle app lock to on. Go back. And now app lock is enabled. So now go ahead and find your Telegram app. So scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Telegram. There's Telegram. And now to lock this app, simply click on the lock. When it turns blue, that means it's locked. And similarly, if you want to use or lock other apps, do the same thing. So if I go back and try and open up Telegram, there's a pattern here. So if I add the pattern, it will unlock. So that's the end of this video guys, how to lock your Telegram app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.